Hello guys, my name is Dipo from Plusworld Roofing. Today we are somewhere in Lekki for a roof painting project. The client has requested we change the color of his roof from light orange to dark grey. Watch the video and see the transformation. So as I speak, the technicians are up on the roof, carrying out the roof spraying. We make use of Greco machines and new tech paints. These two work together and to give a very good finish. So this is basically a combination of processes and companies. Plusworld Roofing, Greco and new tech paint has made it possible for your roof to come back to life.